Here's a look at our purification system that we've got here. So as you can see, we are hooked up just to the house water there. Comes into the first filter, runs to the second filter, which is that tall one right there. And then that third filter is the last one. And it's got the outlet there. Runs to our hose, yellow hose, which then connects to that red hose and out to the pole. So that's how we're able to provide pure water.
What are the filters, Elijah?
Carbon filter, RO filter, and VI filter.
What do those stand for?
3 different filters.